I'm Bill Clark. For over 35 years, we've been installing water conditioning equipment, reverse osmosis units, iron filtration equipment for our customers throughout the San Antonio and Hill Country area. We pride ourselves in giving you good quality equipment, showing up on time. Sometimes our customers even say we're early. And we take care of the equipment if there is any problems years down the road. When you call CBS Systems, I think you're going to be very impressed. We do not have any commissioned salespeople. We just treat everybody like our friends or our family. We offer great products at very competitive prices, and we believe our warranties are some of the best in the industry. So if you have any questions, just reach out and give us a call. We'll visit over the phone and see if we can help you. Thanks.